Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Moto G Stylus 5G. Make sure that the phone is powered off. Then press and hold both keys, volume down and power button. Once it comes on, release both keys. Scroll down to recovery mode. Press the power button to select it. Now it will take us to the second screen with a little Android. Once you see that, you need to press the power button and hold, and then tap the volume up. Again, press and hold, tap. Once you see these options, scroll down to wipe data, factory reset, press the power button to select it. Factory data reset. Again, you see it's formatting the phone. Once you reboot the device, it will be back to the factory settings. Reboot system now, and there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.